In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pop out of a ripped paper hole in Canva. This delightful effect is perfect for creating eye-catching and engaging designs that stand out. Whether you're creating social media posts, marketing materials, or fun personal projects, this technique is sure to impress. Let's start by navigating to the Canva website. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've entered your login details, continue signing in with your account. You might be redirected to choose your login method, so make sure to click on your account details and proceed until you've successfully logged in. Now that you're on the Canva homepage, let's move forward. Open the project you're working on. If you haven't already, make sure you've prepared a design that includes your desired digital paper hole graphic and the image of the character you want to have popping out. It's essential to note that these images should not have any background, so you might need to use a background remover tool beforehand. Once your project is open, locate the portrait or the subject image from your uploads. Click on it to select and then gently drag it over to the canvas, placing it precisely over the paper hole. It's crucial to ensure that the image is covered and properly aligned to fit through the hole as you envision. Moving on to the next step, duplicate your original paper hole graphic. This can usually be done by right-clicking on the image and selecting the duplicate option. Now it's time to stack the original and the duplicated graphics. Carefully align them to ensure they fit perfectly on top of each other, as this precision is key to making the pop-out effect realistic and consistent. Here comes the trickiest part, cropping the top layer of the paper hole image to reveal the character. By selecting the crop tool, you can adjust the cropped area of the second duplicated paper hole graphic, allowing the character beneath to pop through in just the right way. Take your time with this part. A careful crop will make all the difference. And there you have it. After a few tweaks to ensure